If you are wondering if Xiaomi 15T has fast charging, then the answer is yes. We do have fast charging. It is actually called quick charge in this case. And unfortunately, we cannot really turn it on or off on this device. If we go to settings and open the battery settings, then in here, there is nothing that could be used to turn on or turn off the fast charging option, and something that is actually available on 15T Pro. And in this case, if you just use a faster charger, then you will see that you are using the quick charge technology. And if you are wondering how fast the charger should be in order to achieve that, it seems that, for example, a 33 watt charger is sufficient enough. But of course, the maximum amount of watts that we can use, I mean, the one that provides the fastest speed, is 67 watts. Of course, you can use a faster charger if you want to, that has more watts, but it won't make any difference compared to 67 watt power adapter that has PD 3.0. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.